Hey guys, it's me Nina, and for today's reco, eto yung sunscreen na nakikita ko all over TikTok. So, here we go. Nandito na siya, in order ko, and it's from Klude. So guys, kwento ko lang. So, they were doing live and it was on sale. So, ayun, napacheck out ako kasi na-curious ako and I saw a lot of creators dito sa TikTok na, yun nga, nagbigay ng kanilang thoughts about this sunscreen. Ayun, napacheck out ako and dumating to the other day. So, here we go. Let's try it. So, magkano ko lang ito nabili? Parang 139 yata siya na nabili ko. So, pwede na kasi 199 yata yung original price if I'm not mistaken. Pero kung mali ako, guys, just check their TikTok page. Andun naman yung nila, yung parang product list and then the price. So, here we go. Ano ba tawag sa sunscreen na to? This sunscreen is actually called the Ceramide Daily Barrier Hybrid Sunscreen SPF 50 PA++++. Oh, diba? So, sa panahon natin na ngayon, super kailangan talaga natin yung sunscreen kasi we have to protect our skin from the damaging rays ng sun, yung UV na tinatawag nila. The protection to sa ating skin. Para syempre, hindi naman tayo mag-age agad, para hindi naman tayo magkaroon ng wrinkles. So, yan. It's always safe to use this like before you go out. Para sure lang, diba? Wala namang masama. And at sabi dito, it is a hybrid sunscreen. Combines the benefits of both physical and chemical sunscreen, a non-sticky, lightweight, daily barrier sunscreen for all skin types. O, diba? So, yun na. Try na natin to, guys. Walang patumpik-tumpik. Eto na. So, ganyan lang ako maglagay, guys. Ako ganyan, ha. Uy, walang magja-judge, ha. Ganyan talaga. Gusto ko ganyan maglagay. Kasi, why not? Yan, kasi I'm protecting my skin. So, eto siya. Don't forget your neck. Tama ba yan? Alam ko, they're using the 2-finger method. Pero ako, ganyan na. So, sabi ko nga sa inyo, no judging, okay? You do you. So, ayan. Dito ginagawa ko. And then, ayan na. Nalagay ko na siya. So, it is lightweight. Wala naman siyang scent. So, okay naman siya for me. Kasi, syempre, sensitive yung skin ko. Kaya, the less scent, the better. Pero, hindi naman siya yung parang, naman talaga na chemically. No naman. Ayan. Talagang no scent lang. Ayan. Watery siya. Very lightweight. Don't forget your ears. I also put something on my ears. And there you go, guys. Ayan na siya. Oh, ayan. Oo, diba? Ngayon, hindi siya sticky, guys. But if you wanna set it, I suggest you put na lang, powder. If you have powder, put it na lang. Ayan, tapos, yun na. O, go na kayo sa mga, nyo. If you wanna put another layer pa of base, let's say you wanna put a tinted sunscreen, or moisturizer, or skin tint, yun. Pwede na. Ayan, guys, kita nyo ba? Wala naman siyang white cast, diba? In my perspective, walang white cast, ha? Pero, doon sa mga nakatry, guys, let me know. Paano yung, nyo, experience nyo when you use the sunscreen from Klude, yun nga, yung sinabi ko. So, ayan. So, tingnan mo na, guys. Oh, okay naman, diba? Yan. Oh. Okay naman siya. So, yan. Ready na. But you can put, you can put foundation on top if you want. But, yeah. There you go. So, those who's interested to try the Klude sunscreen, I'll link it in my yellow basket. Kung hindi makita, just go to my bio and under showcase, it's gonna be there. Okay? Para easy na lang sa inyo sa pag-order. I'll see you again, guys, on my next video. Bye!